Hey, what's up? This is rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to be showing you how to recover corrupted or deleted files from your computer. So let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, you need Wondershare Recovery to do this recovery process. If you don't have Wondershare Recovery, click the link in the description below and download it. Double click to open Wondershare Recovery. Let me show you how it works. I am going to delete a file from my computer and recover it. So let's get started. Drive video to, and the file name is Alaska. So hold shift and press delete and delete it. Now let's go back to Wondershare Recovery. You can choose option according your recovery process. As I have deleted this file, I am going for deleted file recovery. You can choose formatted disk recovery or others. So my drive was video 2. Start searching the deleted file and it's get completed. It has already found my deleted file. Here you can see Alaska. So click to select it and click on recover. Choose a different drive. Create a new folder. Give folder name recover. Press enter and click on recover. Open the video. Oh, it works. Wondershare Recovery is very easy to use and it's a very simple software. So my work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.